Hello friends, welcome to Infinite Coaching Classes. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 3, Elements, Compounds and Mixtures. So let's see. Classify the following substances into compounds and mixtures. Carbon dioxide. Answer is compound. Next question. Air. Answer is mixture. Next question. Water. Answer is compound. Next question. Milk. Answer is mixture. Next question. Common salt. Answer is compound. Next question. Blood. Answer is mixture. Next question. Fruit juice. Answer is mixture. Next question. Iron sulphide. Answer is compound. Next question. Give one example for each of the following types of mixtures. Solid homogeneous mixture. Answer is alloys of metals. Example brass, bronze. Next question. Solid liquid heterogeneous mixture. Answer is sand and water. Next question. Miscible liquids. Answer is water and ethanol. Next question. Liquid gas homogeneous mixture. Answer is air. Next question. Suggest a suitable technique to separate the constituents of the following mixtures. Also give the reason for selecting the particular method. Salt from seawater. Answer is the technique used to separate the salt from seawater is evaporation. Reason: because this method is used to separate the components of the homogeneous solid liquids mixture, and salt in solid and seawater is liquid, and both are homogeneous mixture. Next question. Ammonium chloride from sand. Answer is technique used to separate ammonium chloride from sand is sublimation. Reason: because this method is used for solid mixtures in which one of the components can sublime on heating, and ammonium chloride sublimes on heating. Next question. Chalk powder from water. Answer is technique used to separate chalk powder from water. Filtration. Because this process is used to separate the components of a heterogeneous solid liquid mixture in which solids are lights and insoluble in liquids. Next question. Iron from sulphur. Technique to separate iron from sulphur is magnetic separation. Reason: because this method is used when one of the component of mixture is iron. Iron gets attracted towards the magnet and hence gets separated. Next question. Water and alcohol. Answer is technique used to separate water and alcohol is fractional distillation. Reason: because in this method the vapors of water is left behind in the original vessel as the alcohol boils at lower temperature than water. Next question. Sodium chloride and potassium nitrate. Answer is technique used is fractional crystallization. Reason: because this method is used when solubility of solid components of mixture is different in the same solvent. Here, sodium chloride and potassium nitrate both are soluble in water, but solubility of potassium nitrate is more. Next question. Calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. Answer is technique used in solvent extraction method. Reason: because by this method salts get dissolved in water while calcium carbonate being insoluble in water settles down in the container. Next question. Define mixture. Answer is: in chemistry, when two or more substances mix with each other without participating in a chemical change, the resulting substance is called a mixture. Next question. Why is it necessary to separate the constituents of a mixture? Answer is: we need to separate different components of a mixture to separate the useful components from the non-useful or some harmful components. Next question. State four differences between compounds and mixtures. Answer is: compounds. They are pure substances that may or may not have one kind of atom. Example, H2O. They have properties different from elements that they are made of. Example, hydrogen and oxygen are gases, but they make up water, which is liquid. They can be broken down, but only chemically. The components, when combined chemically in a different proportion, can exist independently. Whereas mixture, they are impure substances made up of two or more elements or compounds. Example, iron and sulphur mixture. They do not have definite properties. They retain properties of their components. They can be separated physically. The components exist independently. Next question. Burning of paper is a chemical change. Answer is: the burning of paper is considered as a chemical change as the paper after burning changes into ash and forms of gases evolve. What is chromatography? For which type of mixture is it used? Answer is: chromatography is used to separate mixtures of substances into their components. It helps in the separation of liquid to liquid mixture. Next question. What are the advantages of chromatography? A very small quantity of the substance can be separated. Components with very similar physical and chemical properties can be separated. It identifies the different constitutes of a mixture. It also helps in the quantitative estimation of the components of a mixture. Next question. Give two applications of chromatography. Answer is: chromatography can be used to separate colors in a dye, drugs from blood, pigments from natural colors, to purify many industrial products. Next question. Choose the most appropriate answer from the option given below. A mixture of sand and ammonium chloride can be separated. Option A, filtration. Option B, distillation. Option C, sublimation. Option D, crystallization. Answer is sublimation. Next question. A pair of metalloids are: option A, Na and Mg. Option B, B and Si. Option C, C and P. Option D, He and Ar. Answer is option B, P and Si. Next question. Which of the following property is not shown by compounds? Answer is, options are: they are heterogeneous, they are homogeneous, they have definite molecular formula, they have fixed melting and boiling points. Answer is option A, they are heterogeneous. Next question. A solvent of iodine is option A water, option B kerosene oil, option C alcohol, option D petrol. Answer is option C alcohol. Next question. This gas is highly soluble in water. Option A ammonia, option B nitrogen, option C carbon monoxide, option D oxygen. Answer is option A ammonia. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.